tell people, in case you don't know, we just have like 7 days left for this year to be over, right? As for me, congratulations to me. I achieved my goals for this year, which is to stay alive. And they look many of them now. Say this year I'll buy private jet. This year I'll buy car. You all they set goals. You forget that Tinubu will be goalkeeper. Well done. One of my guys said this year he must buy land. January, February, March, April, May, money not reach to take buy land. Last week now the guy called me, say he don't see money or he don't see land. I said how much? The guy said 100,000. Where you see the land? He said you see it online. Before me go advise me not buy, the guy don't buy 10 plots. Now this morning they send out the papers of the land with dispatch rider. The guy they check and he don't understand. They read and then he call the person, he say you don't understand what they see, it be like they know that time in English. Then the guy say you don't get person who sabi read French. Now no say this my guy buy land from Gabon, you don't know. As I dey talk to you now, that guy goes don't change. Next year, one go Gabon, you need to see land.